Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day. Wait, I take that back. You guys are having a fantastic day today because today XRP broke over the 50-cent range and just barely touched 51 cents, but now we are seeing some rejection. But aside from that, I mean, guys, honestly, the price action still, even with the rejected price level being at 47 cents, I mean, I'm still pretty happy with that. Not too bad. So this morning, I was off the grid. Me and my dad headed up to the mountains doing some four-wheel driving, had a really nice morning up there. Really fun. Always do like hanging out with Mr. Cobb. But again, right when I came back, I just got something to eat. I'm like, all right, you know what, guys? I got to update you on what's going on here. I got to give you my perspective and really see where we need to close today on the daily to continue, essentially just going up in value. So let's go ahead and get into it. Real quick, though, Bitcoin this morning did actually hit 11,200. I mean, damn, I'm impressed, guys. I'm impressed. The price action, amazing. The fundamentals and the technology, not so much. But hey, to have it continually, break 10K and 11K, honestly, that's great. Now, one thing I want you guys to keep in mind is a lot of Tether is being minted at the Tether Treasury, if you do know what I mean by that. And that is most likely the reason why is Bitcoin going up. And I have kind of some proof right here. If you go to markets on Bitcoin, like the top 15 pairs is all Tether. I mean, you cannot tell me that Bitcoin is not going up because of Tether, because the Tether Treasury, they continue to mint, which is like 100 million Tether like every other week now, and then it's not a coincidence that the top 15 pairs for Bitcoin are all Tether pairs. Now, this means that it's not going up off of any utility or anything of substance. It's going up off of manipulation, and that's just fact. So just want to keep that to you guys in mind. Yeah, the price action's great, but don't be fooled. This is most likely a Tether pump, which is the exact same thing that happened in the last bull run. So keep that in mind. Bitcoin, yeah, it's going up. It's not going up for any real utility reason. It's going up because of more Tether being pumped into the market, and then now you can just see it's simultaneously getting pumped into Bitcoin. What I would like to see, which is like XRP on the other hand, the top pairs are actually fiat currency pairs, which I'd much rather have fiat liquidity than Tether stablecoin liquidity. But anyways, cool to see it break over 11K this morning. However, what's more exciting though is that XRP did almost hit, I think on some exchanges it did go over 51 cents, but on just the exchange I happen to be getting this price quote from, which is Kraken, it did hit 51 cents. Now, here's what's happening. This is our support trend line. This is our resistance trend line. You could really refer to this as a symmetrical triangle or potentially like a bull flag, right? So what happened is we broke resistance, and then all of a sudden, I think all the traders, all the algorithms, all the bots were catching on to it and going, okay, freaking pump time, pump, pump, pump. We broke the 50-cent psychological resistance. Keep in mind, every time we break into an even level, it's a psychological resistance. So the rejection should be expected, honestly, right? So what happened? We went almost all the way to 51 cents. We're wicking back down, and look at this. We are actually still, as I'm speaking, testing resistance right now. Now, this is the daily candle, and like the daily chart, I think is probably one of the most important ones in terms of, closing above a certain price level. Of course, the higher the time frame you go, the more reliable the chart really. But on the daily candle, or on the daily chart, guys, we are literally right at resistance. And the daily candle does not close for 4.5 hours. And again, I'm telling this to you guys because I don't know if I'm going to be able to see you guys later. I do got a lot of stuff I'm going to be doing today, a lot of good stuff, a lot of fun stuff. But just keep in mind, we need, in my opinion, for this to continue going, for us to break through into the further 50s, 60s, 70 cents, get closer to the dollar range, which I think it will, due to the fact that Bitcoin is now over 10K and is actually maintaining stability over 10K, thus causing FOMO into the altcoins. Let's look at CoinMarketCap real quick. You see these altcoins? Look, 22%, 6%, 5%, 6%, 9%. Nothing crazy. 9%, another 7% on XRP. Nothing crazy, but alts are clearly pumping because of Bitcoin crossing 10K. So glad to see that happening, right? But now, guys, to continue this, in my opinion, this daily candle needs to close. Absolutely needs to close above resistance. If we close below resistance, we are most likely going to be coming down and back testing support again. But at the same time, though, I would really not mind buying some more XRP at 38 cents. And by the way, my dad was actually saying he was actually considering putting some more into XRP pretty soon here. So I mean, ideal scenario, I would actually not mind it dropping. However, I know for all you guys, and including me myself, we're really wanting this thing to go up. So in exactly 4.5 hours, the daily is going to close. And guys, to keep this momentum going, we need to close above this resistance. And I think that's entirely possible. We are right there. And as I am speaking on this video, we are testing this resistance right now. So guys, as long in the next 4.5 hours, if we can get above this resistance and close above on the daily, I think that would give us the bullish confirmation. And we would continue to go somewhere to the 60-70 cent range. Just my opinion. But guys, it is absolutely crucial. In 4.5 hours, XRP needs to close above this resistance, and I have no doubt we'll continue moving into the 50, 60, 70 cent range. All right, guys, just want to give you guys a quick update. Thank you guys so much for tuning in the video today. Really do appreciate it. Make sure you do smash the likes, you do smash the subscribe, check the links in the description if you do want to support the channel, hit those post notifications so you never miss a video or stream, and as always, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Now, either way, if we don't close above the resistance, no big deal, I'll just be buying more XRP, but guys, honestly, just the fact that we were able to cross 50 cents, I am just ecstatic. And even at this current rejected level of 47 cents, I am still very, very happy with this price. If XRP continues to stay at least just bare minimum above 40 cents, I am honestly just grateful for that because, man, those 20 cent 200, the 20 cent 200-day consolidation, look that up. Oh my God, that was brutal. Anyways, guys, really cool stuff. We did cross 50 cents this morning. Let's see if we can close above resistance and keep this trend going. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in the video today. I'll see you guys in the next one.